my God. It's fell over the railing. I was just going to make a movie to show how deep it is. Go stand out there by the steps.
No, I can't.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
It's freezing out here. Hey, Robbie Bubba. Anil, careful. What, are you going to jump into that snow?
Yeah. I did it like 3 times.
Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe.
Show them how the snow sled works.
Are you doing this to Oklahoma?
Yeah, I'm going to send it to Grandma and Papa.
Oh my God. Well,
Anil, stand right there so I can see how deep it is.
They don't have hardly any snow.
I know. Stand down there so I can show how
Totally
deep it is right there by that snow pile. Put your arm out over there to show how deep it is. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Woo! Coming down. Nina, Nina.
I gotta refill the snow pile.
Okay. What do you think, Robbie Bubba?
Work.
You guys want to keep Nina out there?
Robot
Sure.
build
Oh, we put
to
a,
do this crap.
yeah. Anil's going to build a robot for this in the future.
So
Anil,
what?
you just put it right here.
Wait.
You're gonna be okay. We'll have to check it out later.
Okay, I think I'm almost done.
So am I.
Your feet must be freezing, Mama.
They are. I'm going back inside.
We are too. Come on.